everyone, I'm Julia, and I'm presenting ecological startup S-Lab. And first, I would like to address the amount of plastic that is used in our modern life. So 500 million tons of plastic is produced and consumed every year. And this means that if we carry on as usual, there will be more plastic than fish in the ocean by 2050. Also, this means that one full truck of plastic garbage is thrown into the ocean every minute. So as I speak, there is one more new truck of plastic garbage in the ocean. And it appeared that 40% of all plastic is packaging, and this packaging is used just once and then again thrown away. The packaging market size was valued $348 billion in 2020, and the forecast is that this market will reach $362 billion in 2021. And also it is expected that packaging market will grow 4.2% every year for at least next 10 years. And all packaging industry leans towards the zero waste materials because they want to replace plastic that they use. That's why we assure that it is time to rethink materials that we use. And our solution is mycomaterial as a replacement of plastic. This material is grown out of hemp and mycelium in the laboratory. So we mix mycelium with hemp. Then we put this mix into the form or into the mold, where we give it a few days to grow. And after 5 or 7 days, the product is ready to be used. We replace it from the form or from the mold, give it few hours to dry, and then it is ready to be used. This packaging out of mycomaterial is suitable for healthcare, beauty, self-care, and other industries. The main feature of the mycomaterial and myco packaging is that it is 100% biodegradable. So after the usage, it can be thrown into the surface where it will fully disappear in 30-45 days without any harm or any trace. Also, such packaging is zero toxic because no other components except hemp and mycelium are used during the production of such packaging. Myco packaging is hydrophobic and it keeps the temperature that it needs inside the packaging, so it is perfectly suitable for the delivery and transportation. Mycomaterial can be also used in other areas such as construction, decor design, furniture, leather, and paper production. There are 3 main competitors in this myco market. Ecovative Design are based in USA, and their main focus is packaging, decor, and other supplies for the beauty industry. And then Mycotech Lab and MycoWorks, they both produce leather out of mycelium. Our main competitive advantage is that we have access to cheap hemp in Ukraine, and also we cultivated our own mycelium in our laboratory. And our team is relatively small, just 4 people at the moment. I am CEO and co-founder, and my main focus is operational management, business development, marketing, and sales. And the second co-founder is Eugene, and his main focus is technology, research and development, and manufacturing process. And then we have Alisa and Danilo, who both have pretty similar background because they are microbiologists, and their main responsibility is research and cultivation of the mycelium. And the main milestones are that we started project January 2020, and then it took us 8 months before we started to approach the market. And in September 2020, we started sales, and we already have the clients that order and buy custom-made packaging for their products and some decor for their interior designs. And at the moment, we are on a scaling phase of our project where we want to move from laboratory that we currently have to a real factory where we can produce more and more myco packaging. And thank you very much for listening.